10 best Mediterranean diet foods to buy at Trader Joe's. Hi everyone, today we're going to show you the 10 best Mediterranean diet foods. Also, we'll show you the best place to buy your ingredients and food. The fan-favorite grocery store has a scrumptious variety of frozen foods, fresh produce, and fun seasonal eats. The chain satisfies the dietary preferences and needs of many. For instance, if you're following the Mediterranean diet, which emulates the eating habits of individuals residing by the Mediterranean Sea, Trader Joe's has you covered. So, the next time you head out for groceries, consider our list of the 10 best Mediterranean diet foods to buy at Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's has an abundance of foods that make following a Mediterranean diet simple, accessible, and most of all, enjoyable.
Hi everyone, welcome to AFK channel. Mediterranean fast food. Fast food and healthy eating seem like total opposites, right? But what if I told you the world's healthiest diet, ranked #1 for 8 straight years, can actually work at places like Chick-fil-A and Chipotle?
That's such a surprising idea, especially since most people think healthy eating means giving up fast food entirely. What makes the Mediterranean diet so different?
Well, according to dietitian Holiday Durham, it's all about the principles from Mediterranean countries like Spain, Italy, and Greece. The focus is on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, healthy fats, and lean proteins. And here's the fascinating part. You can apply these principles almost anywhere.
So how exactly does that work at a place like Chick-fil-A?
So check this out. Their grilled chicken sandwich can actually work well with this diet. Durham suggests either skipping the bun or getting a lettuce wrap if whole grain isn't available. And do you know what's really interesting? They've got those grilled nuggets too, which fit perfectly into the Mediterranean approach.
That makes so much sense about making smart substitutions. What about other popular chains?
Well, Subway's Veggie Delete is a great example, especially if you get it on whole wheat bread and load up with vegetables. But here's something crucial Durham pointed out. We need to watch out for those processed deli meats because of sodium content.
You know what really surprises me? Even Wendy's made the list.
Right? Their apple pecan salad is actually pretty aligned with Mediterranean principles. You've got fresh apples for fiber, pecans for healthy fats. But, and this is important, Durham warns about those restaurant dressings. They're often loaded with added sugars and unhealthy fats.
So, what's the solution for the dressing situation?
Durham suggests bringing your own olive oil and balsamic vinegar, or just using lemon wedges. And speaking of customization, Chipotle is basically a Mediterranean diet paradise. You can build your bowl with brown rice, beans, tons of vegetables, and healthy fats from guacamole.
That's really clever about Chipotle. What about some less obvious choices?
Get this, even Dunkin' has Mediterranean-friendly options. Their avocado toast on multigrain bread provides those healthy fats we're looking for. And at Arby's, you can modify their turkey and Swiss sandwich by switching to mustard instead of mayo and loading up on vegetables.
That's fascinating about Dunkin'. I would have never thought of them as a healthy option. What about burger places?
Now this is where it gets interesting. Both In-N-Out and Five Guys can work if you get their burgers protein style, wrapped in lettuce instead of a bun. Durham emphasizes that while red meat should be limited, it's okay occasionally as part of a balanced diet.
You know what's really striking about all this? It shows that eating healthy doesn't have to be expensive or inconvenient.
Exactly. And that's probably why this diet has maintained its top ranking for 8 years straight. It's not just about health benefits, though it's rated best for diabetes, cholesterol, and gut health. It's about having a sustainable approach that works in real life.
That really changes the whole narrative about healthy eating being all or nothing.
And that's the key takeaway here. The Mediterranean diet shows us that healthy eating is about making better choices when we can, understanding our options, and finding a balance that works for our lifestyle. Whether you're at Chipotle or Five Guys, there's always a way to make healthier choices without completely giving up the convenience of fast food.
So it's really about making those small, sustainable changes rather than dramatic restrictions.
Precisely. Durham emphasized that it's more about nutrient density and quality than strict rules or calorie counting. When you understand the principles, choosing grilled over fried, opting for whole grains, loading up on vegetables, you can make it work almost anywhere. That's what makes it not just healthy, but actually sustainable long term. Thank you for watching.